Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Excellency to Abi Hanifida, as respected sentence bersama Abi Hanifida. Respectable to my teacher, junior senior high school Abi Hanifida. Honorable to my parents, my family, and also my friend. First of all, say thank to Allah who give us opportunity so we can learn together during the day. Secondly, salat and salam to Prophet Muhammad SAW. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jazla Krataina from 9th grade Junior High School Araiba Hanifida. In front of you, I would like to present my imagination map under title Causes and Triggers of Sneezing. I have 3 brains. Okay, my first brain is about sneezing. Sneezing is one of our body's most common reaction, but we don't often take the time to stop and think about how and why it happened. Why sneezing and stop the sneezing. Okay, so we shall take the time to know about sneezing. Okay. Sneezing is simple and involuntary release of air that helps the body get rid of irritants in our nose and throat like allergen, dirt, and dust. The sneeze reflex. Our bodies are complex machines, so while sneezing just feels like something we do, our bodies are performing many steps to make the reaction happen. Other triggers can range from cold, fevers, and even nasal spray. Okay, next brains is about the sneeze start. Okay, sneezing start with irritation of the nasal lining as sensed by the licia of this scalp. This receptor sends signal via sensory trigeminal nerves to the sneezing center in the lateral medulla of the spinal cord. Next up in the process is the triggering of 2 different nervous signals. The first is via motor nervous, preagonal, and respiratory. 2 via parasympathetic nervous in resting nasal. Before sneezing, your pressure builds up in your chest. As your chest muscles compress, your lungs and your vocal cord close. When your vocal cords suddenly open again, air is driven up your respiratory tract and through your nose at a high speed. Your eyes shut and your diaphragm moves upward as your chest muscles contact, relaxing air from your lungs. That air allows thousands of droplets to project from your nose and mouth is a way to get rid of the allergen or irritant. Sneezing helps get rid of unwanted particles from the body. It also can spread sickness through those thousands of the particles. Sneezing, there get rid. If you will sneezing, you should your upper arm, your elbow, or your tissue, and don't your hands. If the doctor Minas says, okay, I think enough. I'm sorry for all my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.